chasing that dream for so long. I mean, we went into so much debt.
Oh man.
I mean, you got guys that are doing second financing on their home just to, I got to be there. I got to be there for the show, you know?
Wow.
I mean, just stupidity on all of our parts.
That's crazy, man.
And so, but, you know, we didn't do that, but we did put ourselves in a financial bind that we're still trying to catch up with.
Right.
You know, bills and, you know, then the new bills that we got coming in. So,
Right.
and again, I'm not bitching.
Sure.
But I just need another year of, you know, we're doing good on the shop. We got some very good customers. We got some loyal customers. They finally got a version of Mike Murillo working on their car that they've never ever had before. Awesome. You know what I mean?
So where can everybody find you?
It's going in the right direction. You can look at Murillo Motorsports, or you can look at Mike Murillo Racing on Instagram. Just type in Mike Murillo Racing and they'll find it.
The guys here are all like 100% legit. So,
yep.
I mean, y'all have been very gracious. So, man, anything else you want to add?
No, that's it, man. Just grateful to my family, and I got 4 grandkids now.
4 grandkids.
4 grandkids, yep.
Wow. And your sons are working here at the shop with you all the time?
My son is then my youngest son, William, so he's a sophomore in high school right now.
Okay.
And so, man, he is setting the world on fire in track and field stuff. He's a discus thrower. And so
very cool.
It's just, you know, it's not, and it's also nice being off the road because, you know, just like you came down here for your son's deal, like I don't miss nothing anymore.
That's awesome.
You know, there's so many things that I miss with my other kids growing up, and I don't miss anything anymore.
That is too cool.
You know what I mean? So,
well, Mike, you got an absolute shop full of stuff to do. So it's gorgeous shop, great setup.
Thank you.
Man, I cannot thank you enough for your time.
Absolutely.
Brother, I appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.